Welcome to the 6th episode of the rebuild of the wrecked Mazda CX-5. Really big thanks for watching our previous episodes, and if you haven't done it, please subscribe. Helps us a lot. It's free for you guys. Previous episodes, lots of stuff has been done. Well, let's have a quick look at it.
Actually repairable.
We found some damage to the strut tower. That was a bit hidden. We managed to pull this back straight with this massive 10 tons press. We used this second-hand front quarter to reuse the parts, weld it in, give it a nice spray, and from the rear pull off quite a big piece of the rear quarter.
So yeah, right now in the 6th episode we're going to work again on the rear quarter to maybe even get the new rear quarter. Well, not on it maybe, but we will be a long way. So we ended up with the previous episode where we had the idea of cutting out more. So we decided to actually do this.
Yes.
It's a lot less work probably. So we are actually going to replace a lot of the inner panels and remove more of the outer shell. So we start with removing. I thought this was had something to do with the parking sensors. I thought.
I really don't know.
No, but it's some kind of ECU for whatever. So we're going to take these parts off, cut out the extra pieces, or drill out actually, and probably going to remove more of the outer shell. Especially, the inner shell. Eh?
Inner shell, yeah.
Inner shell.
This piece,
and this
piece, and
yeah.
that.
But this piece runs along all the way to here, so we're going to make a cut line probably. So yeah, lots to do. Let's go. Event, yeah. All right, our famous wire brush to remove some of the seam sealer. Went really good, so I'm going to use it again.
I never thought I would use a wire brush for this, but well, this is how you find a new purpose for a tool, isn't it?
The stuff is really sticky. It's cold now also, we have the heater on. So it's really thick actually. Yeah, we're getting there. Whew, all off. Now we can drill out the remaining spot welds.
So yeah, my dad went at spot welds, and well, or he's really strong, or the car is not on the handbrake. I also let him handle the GoPro for this shot. He did his best.
It's nothing for old people.
So, it's off right now. And then only this part will go still. As you can see, it's still crushed in. So if we take this off, it's brand new.
Yeah.
Or at least we hope. This we leave on
Cannot.
because it's easy to bend also. So we'll see if that is still okay. By removing this, we will make the 100 and lots of spot weld drills.
So yeah, how many spot welds we have drilled, I will tell at the end of the video. So we went together with the drill and with the hammer to kind of separate all these spot welds. Some are really thick and others are really thin.
It's really thin steel here, so we need to watch out not to drill into the car. It will give us a lot of extra work then. Hey!
I like it!
So yeah, in the end, lots of drilling, lots of cutting, lots of drilling, and eventually, well, use the multi-tool to cut the piece off.
We're having a clean car. Only this one left, so going well.
It really went well. It's only just time consuming, as it's built up with so many spot welds. Eventually, we cut the wheelhouse in two,
Hey!
and good success.
We got it.
Got it.
One hole in the car.
It's a bit
It's a bit wrinkled up, so yeah. I think we're making a good decision with taking it off.
Yeah, yeah.
It's I don't think we would ever be able to put it that straight.
No.
And we got the whole rear quarter, so yeah, it's a waste not to use it. But this looks pretty cool.
With a naked part like this.
Really happy doing this together with my dad. Look at it. Just lots of time, of course, lots of work, but we look through the Mazda now.
Alright. Learned a lot. This is also, for me, my biggest first thing I ever done. It's really cool again to do it with my dad. So right now we got this off. We need new stuff. So we actually have to start working on the rear, on the new rear quarter. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now.
Zetten.
Okay, the new rear quarter. We laid it flat down on this because we just need to do a lot of drilling. So we put on some clamps on it so we can push a bit harder. And we're going to mark the spot welds with a marker so we are sure we drill out the right ones and not the ones that need to stay okay.
That's what probably normally happens.
Yeah, if you're going for it. So still lots of spot welds, but yeah, now we need to work really precise because this is going to be the new Mazda.
See me like marking all the spot welds, so we don't need to search and just drill.
We don't need everything of it, but we will drill for now everything off as how it is. We can better cut it to the right dimension on the car. We can better have too much than too few, I think.
Yeah, yeah. That's always making it shorter is easier than making it longer.
Exactly. So for now we're going to reuse the whole part, and after that we can cut it to the right dimension. So yeah, more spot welds, but it is what it is.
Nearly all spot welds, or at least the ones I could find, were marked, and now 2 drills and work.
We nearly got all of them. We just need to flip it over because some we need to drill from the other side. So then it's should be off actually.
Even die kant losmaken.
So yeah, we flipped it over and drilled these spot welds out. This is actually where the tailgate normally closes in. We actually found out there was some kind of isolation material in between the panels. I had this steel wire cutter, which worked really good. And while we're at it, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.
Ja.
This one.
Buiten.
One.
No.
This one. Here, it's still stuck.
Another piece of this isolation material. So again, the wire.
There might be also something here. We didn't really look at it. There's something here. So we just found out there's also here, again, this glue stuff. So we need to get a thread through again. Okay, we think it's separate. It was a hell of a job. But
Lots of sweat.
we don't know how we are going to get it on, but we'll manage.
It's off now. We're happy because it's...
We didn't took it off yet, but it should be off. Voila! Naar de camera. One new Mazda. Oh.
Yeah, I've got it. Pak even. Kijk uit voor die dakrijst. Dat is gevaarlijk. Ja, hier is niet erg op krassen, maar daar wel.
It's finished.
Ja, finished.
Glue. And done.
Well, that's a bit too optimistic probably. We still had to cut out a piece of this outer panel from the tailgate side because we couldn't fit this new piece on, or try to fit this new piece on.
Come on.
Ja, dit is even moeilijk.
This is what we need to do.
Finished.
It's finished, yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Oh yeah, here it had to go underneath the plate.
Ja, ja.
So we reused another Mazda part. We just need to make it fit, and we need the internal structure still from the other piece.
Ja.
So yeah. Lots of spot weld drilling. We haven't counted them yet, by the way.
I don't want to know it anymore.
No?
No.
Not anymore?
No.
I will count them, so
Not
don't
forget
worry.
Forget it.
Yeah, good results.
Still quite a few to go over there. So it's only a few still left, a few hundred.
Yeah, there we go again. 2 drills, lots of work, new batteries, lots of batteries actually. And well, just go for it.
Ja,
That's it.
dat was het straks lekker hè, want dan
Yeah, I had the same
al
with
die
the
dikke
front.
stukken.
With the front, they all lined in.
Ja, but it's also quite thick metal now.
Yeah.
You know?
The reason why we often use the hammer and the chisel is not to drill too deep.
Ta-da! Another piece. Quite thick actually, really strong. This
Yeah.
is. Maybe, vacuum cleaner maybe.
We did drill through in some occasions. It's something you can't avoid. You just need to work on that while welding it back in.
Alright, there it is. The inner structure. We should have everything we need now actually, so yeah.
Yeah,
If anyone needs the other side,
it's free.
just respond. You can get it for free.
Ja.
Cool.
Moet er alleen onder.
It's not really that big.
Dan laat die maar even hangen trouwens. Ja, dat wou ik zien. Maar die blijft denk ik al hangen op zijn... Kijk dan.
Now we can see, because this is straight and this is fitted on the old spot welds, we can actually see that this is the original piece from the
Yeah.
Mazda.
Het should come out.
It should come out a little bit. Not a lot. Yeah. Hammer time again.
So there it is, my dad's favorite tool, the rubber hammer.
This is the other part. This goes on like this.
Even weg.
Ah. Yeah, let's get the grinder on
Get it
this corner. Perfect.
Oh, gaat er nog een.
Hier front is nog Jeetje. Nou, die komt er niet meer af.
Ja, mooi.
We call it a day for now. We done a lot of work.
Yes. Bit tired.
So, as you can see, the inner structure is now in its place. So we still need to have, there's still a lot of work, of course, grinding, preparing for the welds. And, well, that piece, we need to line them up, etc. But yeah, that's for another day. So,
Yes.
Plenty of work done. We leave it to this for this episode. And I did the final count. We drilled 118 spot welds to get everything off. And well, another 118-ish to get the new stuff to eventually repair this Mazda. So that's a lot of spot weld drilling we have been doing.
For one
Okay,
piece.
150, 110. We'll see where we'll end. But we also need to weld them back in. So going to be a lot of work the next episode, but also probably a lot of fun together with my dad. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.
I have a dream.
You've got him. You got it. Bastard.
That's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.